Hi friends, welcome to the Plain Fun RC channel. I'm your host Saul. We're here at Warburgs and Classics over Fredericksburg. Folks, we have an absolutely stunning Cessna 185 Sky Wagon, and it's designed and manufactured by Aviation Concepts. We've got the owner of Aviation Concepts here. Sir, tell us what your name is.
My name is Gunny Bumbers, owner of Aviation Concepts RC. This is one of our giant scale, third scale, Cessna 185. It's a full kit.
And I see there's Frank Noah in the background trying to get on the back. Go ahead, Frank. Now you stay there for perspective. I mean, go ahead, my friend. Keep going. So tell us about the plane.
So this was actually a consortium design project amongst like four of my friends via text message, because we do aero towing, giant scale sailplanes, and they were looking for a new tow plane. So what they wanted was something big, heavy duty, robust. That can handle the rigors of air towing, which is basically you fly for an hour towing up gliders. You go up and you come back down. You pull the next guy up. So it's a 3-minute cycle, and these glider guys love to fly in crazy wind conditions.
Right.
So this plane, the people in the consortium design group wanted heavy-duty, robust landing gear. 5/16 aluminum, birch aircraft quality plywood. For the firewall, engine box, no light ply.
And I see you got a lot of it inside. You're just peering right through that windshield.
Right.
You've got a lot of ply in there, a very strong laser cut construction there.
Well, actually, so all the birch aircraft ply is actually CNC routed because they're nice, clean edges. All the other thinner stuff like the balsa and the light ply is all laser cut. Reason being is if you try to burn through thick plywood, it becomes very sooty. And the glue joints suck, and then you get all sooty like you worked on your oil burner.
Right.
But this one here is third scale, so it's 153 inches.
153-inch wingspan.
Weighs 48 to 52 pounds.
Wow, okay.
Powered by a DA 150 engine.
Right.
What else? So it's one servo for each control surfaces. Tow release is an option.
So there's your tow release that you're talking
release.
about right there.
Yes.
That's the tow release. So folks at home, if you're looking to tow your gliders, this would be a fantastic airplane to build. Very, very big. You can see in relation to the gentleman right there in terms of the overall size of the aircraft. Easily going to port up. You said a DA 150 is what you have in there. Is that correct, sir?
Correct.
Swinging a 3-bladed prop. Fantastic. Now you've got some insane bush tires. Talk to me about your bush tires
All
here.
right, well, these are something I don't offer because they were made by Positive Reproductions in Alaska. The guy's no longer around, but I happen to get the very last set. I do offer what I call utilitarian wheels. They're 10-inch diameter. They're very robust for rigors of aero towing, and they look cool.
Fantastic, my friend. Now, what would you say if I'm looking back here for one second? I'm looking at your vertical stabilizer. Looks like it's removable. Is that correct?
Yes, sir. So 4 bolts, removable. The tail cone is removable because that's where the rudder servo is housed.
Okay.
The horizontal tail planes come off also.
So this really it helps to ease transportation as well.
Absolutely. The tail wheel is made in my shop also out of CNC aluminum.
Fantastic. That's wonderful. And you've got full flaps here as well.
Oh, yeah.
On there. Very good.
Yes. I do want to mention these guys right here.
Tell me about those, sir. What are they? And are they included in the kit?
So it's a buying option. These are vortex generators. And when I first flew this in 2019, I like to do stall landings. Problem is, there's no aileron authority.
Right.
It's all blanketed.
Okay.
So one of my first customers said, I want VGs and stall fence. And I was like, what's a VG? So I had to do my own research because I wanted them to work.
Right.
So spending 4 months doing research, they had to be spaced a certain angle, a certain distance apart, a certain height on the
on each piece.
Right. So this stall fence, by the way, is just held in with magnets.
Oh, wow.
And
Look at that.
pin.
That is really cool.
So
folks, that's a neat feature right there. Very neat feature.
That's another buying option.
Wonderful.
So, but let me get back to this. So, after I install these VGs, I do the stall landings. I have full aileron authority at full stall.
That's fantastic.
Yes, but a lot of people ask me, well, how do you put these in the wing bag you're gonna break them all off. I actually came up with, in the kit, is a laser cut cover that slips on over this, and then you can slide them in the wing bag without breaking each one.
Wow,
Bing, 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 bing.
That's an ingenious idea. Folks, we've got ourselves a top quality kit here. If you're looking for something to build when the winter time rolls around, I would highly recommend reach out to Aviation Concepts. I'm gonna have a link in the description. And my friend, you have done a stellar job, and I say congratulations to you.
Thank you so much.
All right, friends, more to come. Friends, we've got a bonus feature here. Go ahead, sir. Tell us about the wonderful feature you've got here.
Okay, so what's included is we have the luggage compartment. That's where my switches are for the receiver.
That is
easy
fantastic.
to charge, out of the way of the wing.
Right.
That plus, both main doors open. There's a doorknob with a locking handle, and inside is easy access.
Oh, that's fantastic. Look at that, folks. That's wonderful. That is wonderful. That's always important, being able to get in there. You've got a fantastic aircraft, sir. Really good. All right, folks, don't forget to check out Aviation Concepts, and more to come. Folks, just real quick, check out those amazing landing lights right there. My friend, real quick, what are the landing lights? Who makes them?
So those are Unilights.
Fantastic. Now, are they included in the kit?
No, they're aftermarket.
Aftermarket, I see.
Then there's landing lights in the actual bow, the cowl up front.
And I got some great shots of it
Nice.
coming in. Fantastic. All right, friends, more to come. All right, friends, continue our exclusive coverage here at Warbirds and Classics over Fredericksburg. We're once again taking a look at the brand new Cessna 185 Sky Wagon. Whoops, sorry folks, excuse me. One more time. All right, folks, continuing our exclusive coverage here at Warbirds and Classics over Fredericksburg. We're continuing with our exclusive of the Cessna 185 Sky Wagon kit. And we're going to get a demonstration flight. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. Folks, if you're looking to build a big Cessna, you will love this kit. It is gorgeous.
Let you go, right to left.
Look at that, folks. Unbelievable. I mean, you got to see how big this thing is, and it is just, it's got wonderful 3D maneuvers.
Left to right. Let me go.
Look at the lights, folks. Look at the landing lights. Perfect. That is wonderful. I'll tell you what, folks, not only this is great for glider tow, but if you are into RC skydiving and are looking for something to carry your skydivers up, this is definitely the plane, without a doubt. Flaps down doing slow flight right now. Beautiful. Once again, look at those amazing landing lights, everybody. Just amazing. Look at that. Soft as butter. Folks, that's butter on top of butter. Butter had a grandson named Butter. And once again, went on to have a great grandson named Butter. Folks, it's a gorgeous airplane. Like I said, once again, if you're looking to get a great Cessna, go to the description, click on the link, check them out. You're going to love them. All right, friends, more to come.